Welcome to ThinkTank. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Today we're diving into the depths of the ocean, a realm of mystery and wonder, to uncover a symphony of color and grace. Join me as we explore the 10 most beautiful marine animals, each a testament to the artistry of evolution. Our journey begins in the sun-dappled kelp forests, where an ethereal being dances amongst the emerald fronds. This is the leafy sea dragon, a master of camouflage, its body adorned with flowing appendages that mimic the swaying seaweed. These delicate extensions are not for propulsion but for deception, allowing it to disappear amongst the kelp. The leafy sea dragon's camouflage is so perfect that it can be almost impossible to spot them. They are most commonly found in Australia, but their elusive nature makes them a rare and precious sight. The leafy sea dragon's diet consists mainly of small crustaceans, which they suck up through their long, pipe-like snouts. They are relatively slow-moving creatures, relying on their camouflage to avoid predators. The leafy sea dragon is a truly remarkable creature, a testament to the power of evolution. We venture into the coral reefs, a kaleidoscope of life, where we encounter the octopus, an eight-armed enigma. Its bulbous head, crowned with large, intelligent eyes, observes its surroundings. A master of disguise, it changes color and texture in the blink of an eye. The octopus is extraordinarily intelligent, solving puzzles and using tools. Its arms, lined with suckers, manipulate objects with precision. A solitary hunter, it preys on crabs, lobsters, and small invertebrates. It can squeeze through tiny openings, a master of escape. The octopus is a fascinating creature, a reminder of the ocean's surprises. Our next encounter is with a miniature marvel, the harlequin tuskfish. This tiny fish, no larger than your finger, is a riot of color, its body adorned with stripes of blue, orange, and white. But it is the harlequin tuskfish's teeth that truly set it apart. Protruding from its mouth are two elongated canines, giving it a perpetually surprised expression. These tusks, though seemingly delicate, are surprisingly strong. The harlequin tuskfish uses them to crush the shells of its prey, which consists mainly of small crustaceans and mollusks. The harlequin tuskfish is a social creature, living in small groups among the coral reefs. The males are particularly territorial, defending their harems of females from rivals. During the breeding season, the male harlequin tuskfish's colors become even more vibrant, and he will perform elaborate courtship displays to attract a mate. The harlequin tuskfish is a reminder that beauty can be found in even the smallest of creatures, and that the ocean is full of surprises. Chapter 4: The Manta Ray and Oceanic Ballet. Leaving the coral reefs behind, we ascend into the open ocean where we encounter the majestic manta ray. With its huge wing-like fins, the manta ray seems to fly through the water, its movements graceful and effortless. Its back is a canvas of black and white patterns, each one unique like a fingerprint. The manta ray is a filter feeder, swimming through the water with its mouth wide open, filtering out plankton and other small organisms. Despite their size, manta rays are gentle giants, posing no threat to humans. Manta rays are found in tropical and subtropical waters around the world. They are often seen near the surface of the water, where they come to feed and bask in the sun. Manta rays are highly intelligent creatures, and they are known to be curious and playful. They have even been known to interact with divers, approaching them out of curiosity. The manta ray is a truly magnificent creature, a symbol of the beauty and wonder of the ocean. Chapter 5: Nudibranchs, Jewels of the Sea. Our journey now takes us to the seafloor, where we encounter a dazzling array of color. These are the nudibranchs, also known as sea slugs, but their beauty belies their humble name. Nudibranchs come in an astonishing variety of shapes and colors, from the vibrant orange and blue of the Spanish dancer to the electric pink and yellow of the pajama slug. These vibrant colors are not just for show. They serve as a warning to predators, advertising the nudibranch's toxicity. Some nudibranchs even incorporate the stinging cells of their prey into their own bodies, using them for their own defense. Nudibranchs are found in all the world's oceans, from the shallows to the deepest depths. They are carnivores, feeding on sponges, hydroids, and other small invertebrates. Nudibranchs are hermaphrodites, meaning that they have both male and female reproductive organs. They reproduce by laying eggs, which hatch into free-swimming larvae. The nudibranch is a reminder that even the smallest and most overlooked creatures can possess extraordinary beauty. Chapter 6. The Lionfish, a Regal Presence. Our next encounter is with a creature of regal beauty, the lionfish. Adorned with a crown of venomous spines, the lionfish is a vision in red, white, and brown stripes. It moves through the water with a slow, deliberate grace, its flowing fins like the robes of a monarch. The lionfish's venomous spines are its primary defense against predators. When threatened, the lionfish will raise its spines and spread its fins, creating an intimidating display. The venom is potent enough to cause excruciating pain in humans, but it is rarely fatal. Lionfish are native to the Indo-Pacific region, but they have become an invasive species in the Atlantic Ocean and the Caribbean Sea. They are voracious predators, and their presence has had a devastating impact on native fish populations. Despite their invasive status, lionfish are undeniably beautiful creatures. Their striking appearance is a reminder of the power and majesty of the natural world. Chapter 7. Sea Turtles, Ancient Mariners. We now encounter one of the ocean's most ancient and beloved creatures, the sea turtle. Its shell, a mosaic of browns, greens, and yellows, is a testament to a life lived at sea. Its powerful flippers, once used for walking on land, now propel it effortlessly through the water. Sea turtles are found in all the world's oceans, except for the Arctic and Antarctic. They are migratory animals, traveling thousands of miles between their feeding and breeding grounds. Sea turtles play an important role in marine ecosystems. They help to control jellyfish populations, and their nesting sites provide important nutrients for coastal vegetation. 6 of the 7 species of sea turtle are listed as endangered or critically endangered. They are threatened by habitat loss, pollution, and fishing gear entanglement. The sea turtle is a symbol of resilience and longevity. It is a reminder that we must protect our oceans and the creatures that call them home. Chapter 8. The Mandarin Fish, a Living Canvas. Our next encounter is with a fish so colorful it seems to have been painted by an artist's brush. This is the mandarin fish, a tiny jewel of the reef, its body a tapestry of blues, greens, oranges, and yellows. The mandarin fish's patterns are so intricate and varied that no 2 individuals look exactly alike. The mandarin fish's vibrant colors are produced by pigments called carotenoids, which the fish obtains from its diet. The patterns are thought to play a role in camouflage and in species recognition. Mandarin fish are found in the western Pacific Ocean, from Japan to Australia. They are shy and secretive creatures, preferring to stay hidden among the coral during the day. At dusk, the mandarin fish emerges from its hiding place to mate. The males perform elaborate courtship displays, flashing their fins and colors to attract a female. The mandarin fish is a reminder that the ocean is full of hidden beauty, waiting to be discovered. Chapter 9. The Clownfish, a Splash of Joy. Our journey now takes us to the anemones, where we encounter a fish that brings a smile to everyone's face. The clownfish. Its bright orange body, accented with white stripes edged in black, is a splash of joy against the green and blue of the reef. The clownfish has a symbiotic relationship with the anemone. The anemone's stinging tentacles provide the clownfish with protection from predators, while the clownfish cleans the anemone of debris and parasites. Clownfish are found in the warm waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. They are social creatures, living in small groups within the protective embrace of their host anemone. Clownfish are protandrous hermaphrodites, meaning that they are born male but can transform into females if the dominant female in the group dies. The clownfish is a reminder that even in the most unlikely of places, beauty and joy can be found. Chapter 10. A World of Wonder Awaits. Our journey through the ocean's depths has revealed a breathtaking array of beauty, from the ethereal grace of the leafy sea dragon to the vibrant colors of the mandarin fish. Each creature we've encountered is a testament to the power of evolution to create wonder and inspire awe. But our journey is far from over. The ocean is vast and mysterious, home to countless other creatures yet to be discovered. New species are being identified all the time, each one a reminder of the incredible diversity of life on Earth. As we explore the ocean's depths, we must remember that we are merely visitors in this extraordinary realm. It is our responsibility to protect this precious ecosystem and ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at its wonders. So let us continue to explore, to learn, and to be amazed by the incredible beauty of the ocean and its inhabitants. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey through the heart of our oceans. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ThinkTank for more amazing content. From the vibrant coral reefs to the deep, mysterious abyss, the ocean is a treasure trove of beauty and wonder. Let us know in the comments which marine animal you found the most beautiful, and together, let's continue to learn, appreciate, and protect the incredible diversity of life beneath the waves.